Carefully cut the two bands going around the box and cut the tape, keeping the lid of the box secured. Lift the bike by grabbing the frame, making sure to not lift the bike by any of its removable or uninstalled parts. Carefully cut the zip ties, securing the front wheel, handlebars, and seat assembly to the frame of the bike. Remove the remaining foam padding from each part of the bike. Loosen the stem and adjust to the desired height. After adjusting the stem position, the first part to install will be the handlebars into the front stem. Use an Allen wrench to remove the 4 bolts that hold the stem securing bracket. Place the handlebar assembly in place, ensuring that the wires are not twisted. Then replace the stem securing bracket. While holding the handlebars in the desired position, reinstall the 4 securing bolts. Carefully cut the 2 zip ties, securing the quick release skewer to the front wheel spokes. Remove the quick release skewer's nut and one of the springs. Insert the quick release skewer through the front wheel hub. Reinstall the spring on the skewer end with the smaller side facing the wheel, and reinstall the securing nut. Lift the frame of the bike up and install the front wheel on the bike. Make sure to line up the disc brake to the caliper when installing the front wheel. Once the front wheel is properly aligned with the front forks and brake caliper, tighten the quick release skewer securely. Make sure to not force the quick release lever. After removing the bolt and bolt hardware on the front fork, leaving 1 washer on the bolt, slide the bolt through the light bracket and front fork. Install the remaining washer and tighten the nut while holding the light bracket in the desired position. Install the 2 remaining front fork securing bolts to the front fork as shown. Using either a pedal wrench or a 15mm wrench, install the right pedal onto the bike. The right pedal is a standard thread, so turn to the right to tighten. Using the same wrench, install the left pedal onto the bike. The left pedal is a reverse thread, so turn to the left to tighten. Remove the battery from the packaging and slide onto the frame bracket. Use the key to lock the battery in place. Congratulations! Your bike is now assembled.